Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, this is my 1988 Mustang GT, aka the Red Demon. We are doing a 7665 turbo build on a stock 302. Go check out the last video. We got some stuff done on it. We'll go over everything real quick what we did on the last video. We got the injector harness installed, and we got the pigtails. They come from On3. Got the upper intake installed. Got the studs ready for the throttle body, but we got the throttle body over here. She's cleaned up and ready to be put on the car. We're fixing to do that, guys, so thanks for tuning in. Hang tight just for a sec, and we're gonna get started on this thing. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna get ready to install the throttle body on the Mustang. Now, I went through there on that trick flow kit. There's various size gaskets. I think it goes from like a 68 up to like an 80, 85 millimeter, something like that. I'm not sure. Just lay your gasket up there and see which one fits your throttle body. I found mine, so I'm gonna go ahead and slide this on. First, I need to wipe this anti-seize off. I got anti-seize all around it from when I screwed them things in. All right, everything's cleaned up. I did clean the intake the other day, so it's ready. We're just going to put our gasket on. Be careful not to tear it. There we go. Now let me grab the throttle body. Now this thing right here was seized up so good I didn't actually separate the throttle body from the EGR plate. I just left them stuck together, man. I think it'd be fine because I tried pulling them apart. I couldn't get it pulled apart, so I just left it alone. So it's actually sealed really good against each other. But we got more gaskets in case it don't. Now I am going to be basically deleting this right here because this usually hooks into here. But we're going to run a breather right here, so we'll block this off and block this off when the time comes. But right now we'll just leave it like that. I had to use a wrench, guys. I ain't got no deep well 12-point socket, so I'm going to try to do it with this wrench here. This one's going to be a little bit of a pain right here. Not too bad. There we go, guys. Got her on there. So now what we'll do, we'll go ahead and get the throttle cable back around here. Get it hooked up. Alright, it's actually a couple of days later. I stopped what I was doing on the throttle body. The reason why I stopped what I was doing on the throttle body because, man, the bracket looked like crap. It really did. It looked terrible. So I took and cleaned it up, and we painted it to VHT flat aluminum, just like the valve covers in the intake. And I also, guys, painted the adjustable alternator bar. I don't know what the hell you want to call the thing, but I did paint this, and the reason why I painted that is because every single time I touched that daggum thing, man, it would actually have some surface rust on when I come in here like a day or two later. And I didn't want to put that on the car get wet, start rusting, you know, all that good stuff. Like I said, we still need to drill and tap the turbo before we finally mount it on permanently. We still got a few other things to do, but we are getting close. So just hang tight for one split second, and we'll get started on this right here. Alright, let's see if we can't get this clip off right here. Hopefully it'll come off pretty easy, man. I don't know, we'll see. It looks like all we got to do is take this clip off, and then the cable should, excuse my hand, now the cable should come right out. Hopefully. Let's see here. There we go. There goes our cruise control cable. Alright, so we got that unhooked, and we'll take and get this pulled up over out of the way. Give me just a second. Alright, we got that out of the way. So now we'll take and reinstall the throttle cable. It just sits right in that groove right there. The screw right here where my thumb is. Sits right down in that groove there. And we'll grab a screw. A little ratchet here. Alright, there we go, she's nice and tight. Get this thing up in here. I'm not going to cut that plastic piece off. I could cut it off just to get it up out of the way. So now our bracket's painted. I thought about painting it black, but I figured why not go ahead and just paint it gray. Alright, got our bracket on there. Bracket's on there nice and tight, so now I'll hook up the throttle cable. There we go, man. Alright, that's in there, guys. Got a throttle mounted up, ready to go. So we can go ahead and hook up the air idle control. We got the TPS hooked up already. Go ahead and get that hooked up. And we eliminated, of course, the EGR. We got the plate right here on. I just stacked a couple of washers on the studs that was in the throttle body because you got two different sizes. So I just stacked a couple of washers on there in order to get it going there pretty tight. So that's on there, guys. Alright, let's see if we can't get this put back on the car. I'm going with this stud right here. It's long enough to where I can actually get a nut on it. Try to find me a little bit better looking bolt for this, that's for sure, for the alternator. Oh, this one looks like crap. I still need to get it measured for a belt. So that's where that's going to reside, guys. Don't look too bad. That was as clean as I can get the alternator, but oh well, it is what it is. But so we are close. So like I said, we're probably gonna have to twist this thing this way just a little bit. But I want to wait till I get the fan and all that stuff on there. Alright guys, throttle body's on the car. Alternator bracket is loosely on the car. We'll get all that adjusted out when we figure out what belt length we need to run. If any of you guys know what belt I need to run as far as length wise, drop it down below in the comment section. I sure would appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, I would appreciate it if you consider subscribing.
Make sure you click that notification bell, guys, so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Drop me a comment down below, thumbs up, all that good stuff, man. But we'll get everything on the turbo kind of buttoned up so we can get it finalized to be able to put it on the car permanently, hopefully. And we'll just continue on with the build on the Red Demon, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.